How to do Ask Me Anything on Snapchat. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to do Ask Me Anything on Snapchat. So first is you have to make sure that your Snapchat application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to the Play Store and check if it's updated. Now if you will see an update button, you click on that and you will have to wait for it to be updated. Now if your application is updated, we can now start with our tutorial. So all you have to do is to go to Snapchat. And here you will be directed here. Now on the bottom part, you will see a smiling emoticon there. You click on that. And here are the different filters. So on the bottom part, you will see create, scan, browse, and explore. Now you have to click on explore and type in ask me anything. By Ravi Rowe. Now if you scroll here, you will see this filter by Ravi Rowe. You click on that. And then you already have the Ask Me Anything filter. Now if you click here, you will see the Ask Me Anything filter, the person, and then just click on that and send it to the person. And basically that is how do Ask Me Anything works on Snapchat. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find it useful, and if it did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Leave any questions you may have in the comments section, and have a great day.